A CHR file stores a rigged character definition for Autodesk 3ds Max, the skeletal framework that makes 3D character animation possible. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you load or troubleshoot these character animation files. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated CHR file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. CHR files are character definition files for Autodesk 3ds. Max storing rigged character setups, including bone hierarchies, skin weights, IK solvers, and animation controllers. They enable reusable character rigs for consistent animation across multiple scenes and projects. 3ds, Max CHR files use a proprietary binary format, storing biped or cat skeleton data, skin modifier weights, morph targets, and custom attribute definitions. They are loaded through the character assembly system and support motion capture data retargeting. Autodesk 3ds. Max from Autodesk Inc. offers a certified solution for the CHR file type. The necessary creation and modification tools are not available natively in Windows. Windows doesn't display full design details, so reviewing these files properly requires CAD-capable software. To resolve the conflict, we need to test installed programs. Right-click your CHR file and choose Open With. Attempt to open it with Autodesk 3ds Max if it is present. Otherwise, try another tool from the list. If you still can't open the CHR file, it's okay. Since the software rejected the file, we need to find the root cause. Here are the 3 essential steps we will take right now to isolate the problem. First, loading the character. Open Autodesk 3ds Max and navigate to Character, then open Character Assembly. Browse to your CHR file and select it to load the complete character rig into your scene, including the skeleton mesh and all associated animation controllers and constraints. Next, applying animation. After loading the CHR file, use the Motion panel to apply biped motion capture files or manually keyframe animations. Select the biped route and use Motion, then load Motion file to apply pre-recorded animation sequences to your character rig. Finally, troubleshooting missing references. If the character loads without its mesh check for missing texture, and mesh file references in the Asset Tracking dialog under File, then Asset Tracking. Relink any missing files to their correct locations to restore the complete character appearance. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Since the manual approaches didn't work for the file, the smart move is to use FileMagic, which provides the one-click solution you need. Available at filemagic.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.